This is the Naromi Dog House Dog Bed. This is the large size, and I like this because it's very portable. It's like a fabric felt material. The nice thing about this is the roof has like a Velcro, and you can also bend. So the way I usually set this guy up, I leave it like this so that the top is open and the back is covered. So it's a little bit of privacy and a little bit of, you know, space to himself, but he can also not be too confined. So I actually leave the top open like this. And then also, like, you can take the whole thing off. There, that's the inside. And it does come with this cushion here. There's a thin cushion on the bottom. And then this it just folds up. So it's kind of nice because I will take this with us when we go out of town. This folds up. This is the bottom that folds up. And then you just grab this. It all folds up. Nice and small. So these are your pieces. So I like this because if I'm going out of town, I just fold this all up and I bring it with me, and then I can set it up. Like we took it to a hotel actually, and I set it up for him, and he actually liked it because it was a little bit of familiarity, not too much of a strange place. And then he felt a little bit like home, and then you can assemble it back up again like this. I did notice that the cushioning was a little bit thin, so I do actually I found this dog bed at the store, so I put this inside to make it a bit more plush, but that also helps him have a familiar scent. But yeah, I love it. We take it with us whenever we travel, in the car at least.